are characteristics of enzymes except they are A. Inorganic compounds, B. Organic compounds, C. Reaction specific, D. Soluble in water, E. Temperature sensitive. So enzymes, the definition of enzymes is that enzymes are biological catalysts that regulate the rate at which biochemical reactions proceed without themselves being altered. Now, we are to pick out the one which is not a characteristic of an enzyme. So, inorganic compounds. Now we've established inorganic compounds is option A. Now we've established the fact that enzymes are biological catalysts. That is, they are catalysts, substances that speed up rate of reaction or regulate rate of reaction, and enzymes are biological in nature. So, by virtue of them being biological, it means that they are organic. They are organic, or what is known as biomolecules. So they are biomolecules, organic biomolecules, and hence they are not inorganic in nature, they are rather organic in nature. So option A, which is inorganic compounds, is not a characteristic of enzymes, as enzymes are all organic in nature. So option B says organic compounds, so it is a characteristic. Option C says reaction specific. Yes, enzymes will only carry out will only affect reactions which they are supposed to affect. For example, an enzyme that is supposed to catalyze breakdown of carbohydrates, such as the enzyme known as amylase, will only catalyze this reaction. It will not catalyze breakdown of protein or any other food class. So enzymes are reaction specific. Now, soluble in water. Solubility is also one of the characteristics of enzymes, and enzymes are also temperature sensitive. So option A, inorganic compounds, is not a characteristic of enzymes and is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.